Hi, this is Janice from Mostly Blogging, and I'm here to tell you how to be a successful affiliate marketer without investing any money. Let's get started. There are many ways to be an affiliate marketer without putting out any money of your own. Have I ever done it? Yes, I have, absolutely. A friend of mine has an SEO service. When I get him business, I get a commission. In my website sidebar, I have graphics to keyword research tools. When people click the graphics and they make a purchase, I get a commission. And that's called affiliate income. It is passive income. It's great because you make the money while you sleep. So there are certain tips that you can use to make sure that your affiliate marketing is successful. Let's go ahead and talk about them. Before we do, I want to remind you to smash the subscribe button so that you get more money-making online tips from me whenever they're ready for you. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, you want to focus on quality. Absolutely. And when I talk about that, I mean, you want to make content that's going to promote your affiliate links, whether you do it in a blog post or you do it in a YouTube video. And interesting fact about me, my husband and I were interested in password management tools. We didn't know which password manager to pick. So we went to YouTube and we found a best of review video. And based on that video, we chose a password manager. So best of reviews really do work. And one of the items you should review is what you are an affiliate of. And make sure you link to where they can make a purchase in your video notes or your blog post, wherever you make the content. Number two, you want to use the right tools. In other words, you need to find information to write about that people are interested in. There are many tools you could use. Some of them are freemium and some free and some premium. The Mozbar is a free Chrome extension. I will link to it in the show notes, and you can, for free, unlimited queries, find content that people are interested in reading about. And again, in that content, you want to put a link to your affiliate product. And you need to know your audience. For instance, it's silly to write about something that nobody who follows your content is interested in. So in my case, as I said, I am an affiliate of keyword research tools because people who read my blog are interested in SEO and might need a keyword research tool. And then finally, last tip, be adaptive. And this is what I mean by that. Trends are constantly changing in your industry. For example, my industry, SEO, there are constant changes. And unless you keep your ear to the pulse of those changes, you're not going to know what's new in your industry, and people will be getting their content elsewhere. And if they get their content elsewhere, they won't see your affiliate links. So I hope you enjoyed this video, how to make money without investing any capital at all. Once again, please subscribe for more online money-making tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.